Yeah. Yeah, it's up.
Yeah, we got that boy.
Yeah, tell him what it is, yeah. Tell him what it is, man.
How much they gonna give us?
Say. What you thought it was, man? You really thought you come to my house like that? Hey, no. Hey, he thought it was sweet.
Yeah, he thought it was sweet or something.
Just know it's up.
Yeah, we got that boy. We need 150 grand.
Boy, I'm telling you, y'all want bird free?
Yeah, told you.
Yeah, y'all know what to do. $150,000, you hear me?
Yeah,
straight up.
Tell him what it is. Man, let me knock him out.
Oh, hold on. Don't do it to him. Hey, we gonna do it to him, you hear me? So what it is? Yeah. What's all that you was saying, bro? You want to
break it our house?
You was trying to take what?
Yeah, huh, nigga?
Yeah.
Nigga, we'll bet
what?
Y'all gonna die.
We gonna die. Hey, hold up. Take the mask off. Yeah, so what it is?
Yeah, what it is?
So what it is? Who you think you is, man? No, like real talk, dog.
Y'all gonna die.
Man, what?
Yeah, it's up.
Tell him,
it's
boy,
up.
He
gonna die.
Yeah.
Hey, all that internet capping, we ain't worried about that.
Yeah, we ain't worried about that.
Hey, man, I'm tired of talking, man.
When?
Say, Mike, you got 24 hours to respond. Real
yeah,
talk.
Nigga, we need the loud and we need 100.
On guard, you hear me? On guard.
We trying to drop the top off on this clown.
Hey, you got 24 hours to respond. I'm not playing, you hear me? Tell them what you gonna do, Five.
Man, we gonna bust him.
We gonna bust them up.
We
gonna bust them up.
Yeah, bust them up and send them on their way.
We ain't sparing nothing dead.
Man.
Wings. Yeah, y'all heard?
Yeah.
Y'all names, you heard me? We adding people. It's up. Just know it's up. Yeah. You heard me?
Yeah. Boy, Runik, can I hold on that nigga?
Hey, look, man, we gonna do that.
Man, let me do it right now.
Say, Five. Hold up, Five. Hey, talk your shit. No, cause my man think it's sweet, dog.
Man, look, I'm telling you, bro. See you, I'm tired of playing with you,
Real
man.
talk.
Yeah.
All that
Stop
sweet
talking
shit.
and pull up.
Pull
Pull up so you can see what's happening. You and your dog.
My man.
You and your dog, man.
Put stuff on
You and your dog, man. Pull up.
Yeah.
Pull up.
Hey, put that on me right quick.
Yeah, put it on.
Pussy.
Yeah, straight boy. You a.
Hey, was just over here.
Yeah.
All that sweet shit, man.
Pussy is a bitch.
Yeah, nigga, we'll knock you.
No, you ain't living like that.
Yeah. All the time we knock you niggas off. Yeah.
He won't steal.
Yeah.
He won't steal.
Play no games, dog. Real talk.
He gonna whoop the fuck out you. Let's cut this bitch off.
Stop talking, man.
Man, I ain't nothing, you heard? You heard?
Yeah.
Hold up.
Let me say something right
Ooh,
quick.
hey, hold up, Five. Five, get off him, Five.
Hold up.
Hold up, Five. Don't do it to him. Don't do it to him, Five.
Hold up.
Hey, they know what to do. They know what to do.
Know what with me, man.
Hey, look, and I'm gonna drop a video soon, so y'all stay tuned, man. Real talk, man.
Yeah, 'cause that boy gonna die.
We won't do all